Today we are going to create an amazing bull abstract stroke effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, you need to create a bull vector like this. I have already created. You can make any shape or design that you like. First, go to the pen tool and create a line like this. Set the stroke width to 5. Select the line, hold Alt, and drag to make a copy of it, and set the stroke width to 10. Select both lines and go to the object, Blend, Make. Again, go to the object. Blend options, choose specified steps. Set the value 50 and hit OK. Now go to the object, Expand, and hit OK. Adjust the line and rotate it like this. Now make a copy of this. Select it, hold Alt, and drag. Select the first one, go to the Shape Builder tool, and minimize this. Now delete the bull shape, and set the width like this. Select the second one and repeat the process. Select the first one. Go to the gradient panel, and set the gradient like this. You can choose your own color, if you like. Now go to the Appearance panel, click the Effect tab, go to Stylize, and choose Outer Glow. Set the color, adjust the blur and opacity values like this, and hit OK. Select the second one, go to the Gradient panel, and set the gradient like this. Now go to the Appearance panel, click the Effect tab, go to Stylize, and this time choose Inner Glow. Set the color, adjust the blur and opacity values like this, and hit OK. Now change the width profile like this. And reduce the opacity value to 50%. Select both bull shapes and align them. Now adjust them like this. Now select the blue gradient bull shape. Go to the Transparency panel. Change the blending mode from normal to soft light and set the opacity value to 50%. Here we done. Amazing bull abstract stroke effect.